All right, so let's give it up for Onyinye. Sorry, give it up for Onyinye. All right, so thanks a lot, Onyinye, for sending in your name for today's Igbo Name of the Day. So you guys ready to translate that name together? All right, cool. So Onyinye basically is one word. The translation is just one word, right? Onyinye means gift, okay? It comes from, I guess, the root word or root meaning inye, right? So inye means to give, right? Like you could say nyemaka, which means give me a hand, right? So nye means to give. So onyinye means a gift, right? The thing that you give, a gift. Onyinye. So onyinye is short for names like Onyinye Chukwu or Onyinyechi. Onyinyechi means like the gift from your destiny or your guardian angel or your guiding spirit. And Onyinye Chukwu means God's gift. Onyinye's names give them the power to be kind-hearted, understanding, and intuitive. Tag and share this video with all the Onyinye's that you know. Thanks. Ndibo kwenu?
Yeah!
America kwenu?
Yeah!
Indoji nilo nono wakwezo!
Yeah!
Alright, so let me know what you think. Did I get the translation right? What do you think of that name? Let me know in the comment section down below. I look forward to hearing what you have to say. If you think that name was cool and the meaning of it and some other Igbo names that I've talked about on this series are cool, let me know in the comment section down below. My Instagram is also linked there because maybe you'd be interested in receiving an Igbo name yourself. If you're not Igbo, maybe you're expecting a child and you're looking for a really cool, interesting baby name from the ancestors. Let me know in the comment section down below. You could also send me a DM. My Instagram is also linked below. If there's any gifts or any talents or anything you'd like to manifest into your child's life, and you have like an idea or concept for the name, I can give you the closest matching Igbo name to that name, right? And if there's anything you would like to speak into your own life, let me know, and I could also do the same thing. So you'd probably let me know like the personality traits, your relationship with God, you know, things about you spiritually and things like that, and I can give you a good matching Igbo name. In our culture, we believe that anytime someone's saying your name, they're speaking God's presence or the characteristics of that name into basically invoking it and calling it into life every time they say your name, right? So it's like a built-in way to just walk in blessing. You get what I'm saying? So you might not realize it, but every single time you say an Igbo person's name, you are blessing them and calling blessings and just releasing goodness into their life every single time you say their name. So if you'd like the same thing for yourself, let me know in the comment section down below. I can give you an Igbo name on the Igbo Name of the Day giveaway series. And if you are Igbo, if you already have an Igbo name, maybe by blood, if you're Igbo by blood, relation, association, let me know and I can give you an Igbo name on the Igbo Name of the Day giveaway series. So you might not realize it, but every single time you say an Igbo person's name, you're speaking blessings and favor into their life, right? You're invoking the power behind their name and you're complimenting them and you're saying amazing things about them every single time you say their name. You get what I'm saying? So if you would like your very own Igbo name, if you would like this for yourself, let me know in the comment section down below and I can give you an Igbo name or your child one on the Igbo Name of the Day giveaway series. And on this series, which is the Igbo Name of the Day feature, the Igbo Name of the Day itself, right? If you are Igbo by blood, relation, association, or whatever, you want me to highlight your Igbo name and tell everyone what it means, let me know and I can feature your Igbo name. So if you liked watching this video, hit that like button. If you didn't like watching it, then just tap it really lightly instead. All right? All of your comments and all your engagement goes a really long way because what it does is every time you hit the like button or comment, it teaches the YouTube algorithm and helps the YouTube algorithm recommend this content and share it with other people just like you who are interested in African culture, Nigerian culture, Igbo culture, things like that, right? Please subscribe to this YouTube channel if you're new to it and haven't subscribed already. Hit that bell button so you can get a notification anytime I post a new video. It could be the video I make for you next. I'm looking forward to hearing what you guys have to say in the comment section, and I appreciate your support of this YouTube channel. Thanks a lot, take care, and I will see you in the next video.